What up, it's your boy Sazo'n Smoke back at it again. So today I'm going to be doing some thighs and legs in my air fryer. But I'm going to do it, I'm going to let it sit in buttermilk first. You guys are going to see when it comes along. So first I'm going to just add some pepper. I'm going to add some Goya. And some parsley. And we're gonna let it sit in our buttermilk for about 30 minutes before we cook it in this air fryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the chicken in the buttermilk. And we're just gonna let it set in there. Alright, so we back. We're gonna let our chicken sit in the buttermilk. You can see how I no change the milk color. So we're gonna go ahead and pull out our air fryer. And we just gonna spray some Crisco pan butter. So what now I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get your chicken out the buttermilk. So we got 2 pieces in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the air fryer. We're gonna put it in the air fryer. Let's cut it on. We're gonna put it on 400 degrees for 10 minutes. Then we probably gotta flip it. Let's go ahead and take it out. Check on it. So that little flour right there, we're gonna take and spray that. We're gonna put it back in there for 10 more minutes. Alright, so our chicken been in for 20 minutes. Let's go ahead and check it out. See, she's nice and golden. Look at that pretty chicken right there. Man, whoever knew that it could come out that pretty in the air fryer. Just put it in like that. Well, I found the pieces, man. Woo. Hey, thanks you guys for tuning into this video. Check out this air fried chicken. I'm telling you, if you ain't already got one, you need to go purchase. I ain't gonna say go purchase, but the air fryer is killer, man, and it's more healthier for us. So, hey, if you ain't already gone to follow my Instagram, go check me out on Instagram at Sazo'n Smoke Boss. Hey, thanks for tuning into this video. Peace out.